Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can save a document in your LibreOffice Writer as a template for future text documents, for example, to customize and to edit these. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your LibreOffice Writer document, and here in the top left corner next to the Save button you will see the drop-down menu. Choose Save as Template. From that menu, enter a template name like, I don't know, my template 01. And you may also select a template category. I will go with my templates. And after that, you may also set it as a default template and click into Save here. And that is going to make this a template so that you may use it in the future to load it as a template for a document. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.